Good day, we are Group 5 and we are here to make a video presentation in our course HRM 822 Human Resources Planning and Development. Our chosen company is Nestlé Canada. According to Nestlé Canada, their mission is unlocking the power of food to enhance quality of life for everyone today and for generations to come. They believe that food enhances lives and brings us together. It helps children grow healthy, pets thrive, parents age gracefully, and everyone live life to the fullest. With this, they constantly explore possibilities to enhance their product and contribute to a healthier future of people. Their vision is a future where none of our products end up in nature and where the products that Canadians know and love contribute to a healthy future for the generations to come. Because of their extensive supply chains and global presence, Nestle is aware of how serious climate change is, and they have committed to and invested heavily in climate measures to lessen their carbon footprint. Values guided by our values rooted in respect, we want to shape a better and healthier world. Their values has a huge impact on the way they work and run the business. They serve with passion, build for the long term, and are inspired to innovate. They always strive to do better and succeed together. For the SWOT analysis of Nestle Canada, their strengths are a unique global presence. According to Sheridan, Nestle operates in 190 nations globally. It has 400 factories across different continents. It has also a multiple varieties of brands. They have different varieties of products such as maternal and infant nutrition, beverages, chocolates, coffee, ice cream, frozen desserts, pet foods, and waters. They also provide food services which is called Nestle Professional. Their weakness is their packaging. Not all Nestle products packaging are recyclable or reusable. They are still working on it, aiming 95% of plastic packaging will be recyclable by 2025. Their opportunities are creating healthier options. They are working to improve and maintain the nutritional value of products without changing its taste and provide high-quality choices for the dietary needs. There is also a growing demand for plant-based options. Partnerships. They collaborate with other Canadian organizations such as Canadian Plastics Pact and Tree Canada to deliver greater sustainability impact. Their threats are continuous competition. Competitors are still emerging, such as Mondelez and General Mills, which are also continuously innovating new brands. Scarcity of water. According to Juravicious, water is used in Nestle's beverages and 25% of the sales come from it. Due to climate change, increasing pollution, and poor management of wastewater, sources of water is becoming scarce. It will be hard for Nestle to have access to clean water. This will result in increased production costs.
Key industry trends impacting Nestle Canada. One is health and wellness, as part of continuous mission to bring tasty and balanced diets within reach for Canadians. Nestle Canada has implemented a nutrient profiling system that evaluates products based on five key nutrients, such as sugar, saturated fat, sodium, fiber, and protein. This ensures products deliver high nutritional value while maintaining the taste that consumers expect. Additionally, with more than 40% of Canadians adding plant-based foods to their diets, Nestlé is expanding its portfolio to meet this growing demand. The company also focuses on responsible marketing to help families encourage balanced eating habits. Second is sustainability and environmental responsibility. Nestle has outlined a roadmap to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, in line with Canada's federal targets. Their efforts include evolving operations, sourcing sustainable ingredients, and innovating packaging solutions. Nestle is one of the first companies to share its detailed, time-bound plan and to do so ahead of the schedule. Jeff Hamilton, Nestle Canada's CEO, highlighted, as the largest food and beverage company in the world, we are in a position to make significant contribution to improving the health of our planet. Lastly, digital transformation and e-commerce growth. Consumers are spending more time online, and Nestle has embraced this shift. They've enhanced their e-commerce platforms, partnered with retailers, and used digital tools to personalize customer experiences, such as KitKat chocolatory offerings. To remain competitive in a fast-paced digital market, Nestlé continues to innovate and adapt its online strategies. Nestlé external environment factors. One is economic factors. Economic conditions both on global and local scale hold immense importance for Nestlé. Fluctuations in exchange rates, inflation rates, and economic growth rates can directly affect the company's financial performance. Consumer spending patterns during economic booms or recessions also influence Nestlé's revenue and demand for its products. Technological factors. Nestle leverages technology for various purposes, from optimizing production processes to enhancing customer engagement through e-commerce platforms. Staying at the forefront of technological innovation is crucial for Nestle to maintain efficiency and competitiveness. Demographic factors. Nestle's products cater to a diverse global market, making social factors a critical consideration. Shifting consumers' preferences, dietary trends, and cultural norms impact product development and marketing strategies. For instance, the growing emphasis on health and wellness has led Nestle to reformulate products to meet changing consumer demands. Future of Nestle Canada for the next 5 years. Desirable case outcome. Nestle Canada will scale up its use for renewable thermal energy in manufacturing to align with the company's net zero roadmap, which aims to reduce emissions by 50% by 2030. Nestle Canada successfully integrates renewable energy systems across its operations, achieving reduced greenhouse gases emissions, compliance with regulations, cost efficiency, and enhanced corporate reputation. Desirable case challenges. One is technological adoption. Transitioning to renewable energy technologies requires significant investment and technical expertise. Workforce readiness. Employees may lack the skills needed to operate and maintain new systems. Regulatory compliance. Navigating environmental regulations and obtaining permits can be time-consuming and costly. Desirable HR strengths. Strategic alignment. HR can link human resource planning to the company's sustainability goals, ensuring workforce alignment with long-term objectives. Training and development. Expertise in the workforce training equips employees with the skills needed for modern technologies. Stakeholder and collaboration. HR can lead community engagement and manage relationships with government and indigenous groups. Desirable HR weaknesses. Technical knowledge gaps, limited internal expertise in renewable energy may hinder HR's ability to recruit the right talent and train effectively. Employees accustomed to traditional methods may resist changes, creating additional challenges for HR. This desirable case outcome. Efforts to integrate renewable energy are abandoned due to financial, regulatory, or technological hurdles, leaving Nestle Canada reliant on fossil fuels. This results in increased cost, reputational damage, and regulatory penalties. These desirable challenges. Employee morale. Employees may feel demoralized by the lack of progress and environmental goals. Reputation management. The company may face backlash from consumers and investors for failing to meet sustainability commitments. Regulatory penalties. Non-compliance with environmental laws and regulations could result in fines and operational constraints. Least desirable HR strengths. Crisis communication. HR can develop strategies to manage reputation and engage employees during setbacks. Incremental improvement: HR can implement smaller, cost-effective green initiatives to demonstrate progress. These desirable HR's weaknesses: limited control. HR's ability to influence systematic challenges such as funding gaps or technological limitations is constrained. Retention risks: difficulty retaining employees who prioritize sustainability could lead to talent loss.
Why HR planning is necessary for organizational effectiveness. According to
Mm.
Saraf, through HR planning, aligning the workforce with the organization's strategic goals and objectives is made possible. Better resource allocation, better decision making, and higher performance are all facilitated by this alignment. According to Saraf as well, having an efficient talent acquisition is also necessary. Organizations may optimize their hiring processes and draw in applicants who are qualified and culturally compatible by anticipating future labor demands and skills requirements. So, how should Nestle Canada plan to prepare for success? According to Inside Nestle, prioritize hiring and keeping skilled workers, creating a culture of high performance, and making sure that a highly engaged staff produces long-term business outcomes. According to Inside Nestle as well, in addition to career development, succession planning fills middle and senior level positions. Nestle approaches this process very methodically. Their preparations include a list of anticipated prospective successors for all the company's important positions. For listening, these are the references that we used in our work.